ค่ะสวัสดีค่ะตอนนี้เรามาเจออีกประเภทหนึ่งของการตั้งคำถามในการถามภาษาอังกฤษนะคะวิธีการนี้ยิ่งง่ายใหญ่เลยนะคะแต่ว่าคนอังกฤษเองที่เป็นเจ้าของภาษาบอกว่าเป็นวิธีที่คนอังกฤษก็ใช้เยอะแล้วก็มันก็สะดวกแล้วก็ง่ายแต่ว่าอาจจะไม่เป็นทางการนักนะคะเขาเรียกว่าการยกเสียงขึ้นนะคะหรือว่าคนไทยจะพูดแบบตลกคือการกระดกเสียงท้ายขึ้นอย่างเช่น I am a woman am I a woman I am a teacher you are a teacher เพียงแต่คำถามประเภทนี้ก็คือเพียงยกเสียงท้ายขึ้นเท่านั้นเองยกเสียงท้ายขึ้นเท่านั้นเองนะคะประโยคทั่วไปก็จะเป็นประโยคคำถามทันทีแล้วคนอังกฤษเองก็ถือว่าอันนี้ก็เป็นอีกหนึ่งวิธีในการตั้งคำถามของภาษาอังกฤษนะคะ I am a woman am I a woman I am a teacher am I a teacher เราจะทำการตั้งคำถามโดยเพียงยกคำท้ายให้เสียงสูงขึ้นเท่านั้นเองค่ะ
An even lazier way to make the questions, and yes, it's not correct for your grammar tests or your grammar exercises, but it is okay to use in the real world outside the classroom. Remember that rising intonation that we put on the word right just now, just before? We can also just use that rising intonation on a basic simple sentence to make a question. We don't even need the word right. Our first example, they speak English. Simple positive sentence. They, subject, speak, verb, English, object.It's the present simple tense. To make that a yes/no question, we add do they speak English? We can make it into a question word question. Which language do they speak? But maybe we are being a little bit lazy and we're cheating. And we don't even want to use the word right. Just say the sentence, but on the final word,the word in purple, put the rising tone. They speak English? They speak English? Can you hear the rising tone on the word English? It always goes on the final word in the sentence, the last word. And that rising tone in English can mean I'm asking you a question. They speak English?Yes, they do. No, they don't. Second example. They are leaving early. Early. Can you hear the rising intonation? That was me asking you a question. They are leaving early? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Okay, it's just a simple positive sentence. Subject,verb, adjective. But we put that rising intonation on that final word and changed it to a question. The last example that we have, you want to eat seafood? Again, seafood? Give it a try. I'll wait for you. I will do it twice and you can copy. You want to eat seafood?You want to eat seafood? Are you doing it? Are you making the rising intonation? That is asking a question. That's what it means. It's on the final word. And it's a lazy way to make a question. But it's okay. In the picture, we have just a little diagram. You can see the arrows. The arrows are showing you the intonation. The first one,is a basic sentence. They are going to have a picnic. That's not a question. Again, hear it again. They're going to have a picnic. picnic. Little bit of a falling tone. They are going to have a picnic. Not a question, just a simple positive sentence. Under the line, we have an arrow showing up, rising intonation. They are going to have a picnic. Picnic. Can you hear the rising tone on the last word picnic? They are going to have a picnic. Hear that rising tone? That means it's a question. Now please let me repeat, don't try this in your grammar tests or exams. Of course, you cannot do for a rising tone. You cannot write a rising tone. I don't recommend drawing the arrows. I don't think your teacher will be happy. However, you can use these two ways of adding right, rising intonation, or just using the rising intonation as the final way, on the final word to make a question. It's okay in the real world.